When you consider this attitude, you know, what is the poetic counterpart of it? Man is a little germ that lives on an unimportant rock ball that revolves about an insignificant star on the outer edges of one of the smaller galaxies. But on the other hand, if you think about that for a few minutes, I am absolutely amazed to discover myself on this rock ball, rotating around a spherical fire. It's a very odd situation. And the more I look at things, I cannot get rid of the feeling that existence is quite weird. Well, as Aristotle said, wonder is the beginning of philosophy, because it strikes you that existence is very, very strange. And if you want to stay in the state of illusion, stay in it. But you can always wake up.